Welcome to the Dragonfly tutorial on animation. We can make a movie on Dragonfly in two different ways. The first one we'll look at is 2D animation, which you can find the toolbar over here to the left under the main menu. The 2D animation lets you record any of the 2D views you selected by moving through the slices. You can input the slice you want to start and end here, or you can go to the slice you elected to start and press the set button, which will set your current slice as the value here. And up here, you can change the speed which it moves through the slices. As you can see, the time length which the video will take will change as you change the speed. You can preview your video by pressing the play button. You will play through the slices on this view on a loop. You can change the speed anytime during the preview to see the effect. And once you're happy with your settings, you can click on stop and this red record button. I'm gonna choose the folder we want to save it to. Now let's look at it. You can see this video is the exact frame of the view that we've just selected, and it ends at slice 116, starts at 53 just as we said. Now to make a 3D video, you can click on the 3D frame, right click, and open Movie Maker. This is your Movie Maker. I would suggest you double clicking on this frame to make it bigger and easier to work with. The first frame is automatically set to the current position and setting of your object. You can change the position by changing anything on screen. Right click on the frame and select Update Keyframe. If we move this object and we want to add this point, you can right click anywhere on the time bar and add Snapshot Keyframe. If you want to get back to your last keyframe with the exact same settings, just double click on it. You can remove a keyframe you do not want, also by right clicking and remove. You can change the time which the movie transitions from your last keyframe to this keyframe by dragging the frame along the time bar. The time bar is set to 30 seconds to begin with. If it is not enough for you to work with, you can extend it by dragging the keyframe past the last second. The movie will end at your last keyframe set, not the last time on your time bar. You can preview the video from any point in the time bar by dragging the screen key to that time and pressing this little play button. You can do any changes to this 3D image that you've learned from previous videos. For example, we can rotate, zoom, and clip. The Movie Maker automatically transforms your 3D image from keyframe to keyframe. However, it will take whichever route is easiest to get from the last frame to this one. So when we did the rotation, zooming, and clipping, it is happening all at the same time instead of one by one. If you want to show each change by itself, you have to set a keyframe after each time you make a different change. Since the Movie Maker does not record all of your actions, if you see here there is the clip box and you don't want it, you can just come to this keyframe, remove it, and update the keyframe. Now it won't show in your video at all. One thing to note is that if you want to rotate your object by a big angle, let's say 340 degrees clockwise, the video from the movie maker will only show it rotating 20 degrees counterclockwise because that is the easiest route for it. So if you want to show rotation, you have to do it by a small angle, like 45 degrees, and save it each time. Just repeat. Also, you should make sure to set your keyframe at a good interval to make sure it doesn't suddenly change speed in the middle. We can also do something cool with it, like maybe LUT and window leveling. Window leveling here. LUT. Now, if you're happy with your video, you can export it by clicking on this little button here. Save as video file, name it, and you can save. Next export will take a lot longer than the 2D one. And now here is our video.